Okay, so I have two projects on the go right now. Well, actually, a lot more than that, but two main ones. So, waiting for this to dry right out over the next week or so, and I'm starting over here to rebuild my Thai village. So this has been our shower, but in order to go to the washroom, you have to go all the way up to the very top of the hill, which is very inconvenient when you gotta go. So this is going to be knocked down. I will reuse it somewhere else. And I am going to make it so that the road goes straight through. And I'm going to build a bathroom right over here. So these trees will go. I'll build a big retaining wall down there. Pour a big concrete slab. And that will be the new washroom and ease of driving. Now here comes Mr. Heat. He's arrived. He didn't notice me. And there was a little bit of an accident over here, which I will not get into. And I have to rebuild this, redo the whole roof in here. And I have some other ideas. And this is going to be like, this is our sala, our outdoor sala, our outdoor kitchen area beside the lake. And then I got to fix up these because they've deteriorated a lot in the last 3 years. And so this will become my little Thai village again, but with a bathroom and a lot more permanent applications. Okay, bye for now.